Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY, and this time I'm going to be making some raised garden beds boxes, and I am in the process of getting everything ready for my spring garden. As you can see, I'm using fence picket posts to build my sides and for my bottom in there. So what I'm getting ready to do now is cut this area off so I can have a straight edge. So I got my, you don't need to measure, you're just gonna cut that off. So I got my square and my pencil. Now what I'm getting ready to do is measure all of these boards at an equal length. Right now I'm finna cut 2 feet for my sides. And I'm just double measuring my cut. These gonna be my legs. So I'm gonna lay on one right there. And one right there. What I'm doing is checking to see which side is flush. That's the side I want to go on the ground. So. I'm using some exterior coated 8x12. 8x2 nails, and they are number 2 filler head. So these ones I'm using. Put a pocket for the screws. Got my screwdriver. And that's all I'm gonna do. But I'm going to stagger my nails. I don't know if y'all can see me. Can you see me? So I'm going to stagger. If I put that one, put this one over here. But you don't want it too close to the edge on this board, neither this, because it'll split it. So I'm going to do the same thing on this end. This is on the side, the railings. You don't have to use any spacing. And you don't want to go all the way down because it'll split these boards. So you don't want to go down in, drill the nail too far in on the board. Okay, we're gonna take this, move this to the side, and I'm gonna hold it up so you can see what it's gonna look like. And this is what one side is gonna look like. So, but if you feel like you need to put a brace right here, just take a piece of wood and put it right here. So I'm gonna take this and move this over. And I'm gonna take my next two legs and do the same. Just butt this to the top and butt this up against the wood. Alright, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna stick these up like this. And I'm gonna screw these in just like this. But before I screw it into the side of the leg, I'm gonna go ahead and start my screw off. Man, this wood is soft, so you can kind of like stick it in there some, and I'm just trying to make sure it ain't too high or too low. Making sure I'm even. I'm just taking my thumb and pushing it till it bump up. So now I'm going to the end. And once I connect this to the other side, that's gonna give us more support, so it won't be as flimsy. Okay, I'm gonna turn you around and we're gonna do it on this end. Let's see. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get ready to put these together. So, and I'm gonna go ahead and pre-start them on this side too. What I'm going to do is, to give it more, this right here support, I'm going to go on the outside. So with these in the middle, when I screw them, I'm going to screw two, one here and one here, but not.
When putting in your support means you want to equally space them out so it can have better support.
Now I'm going to take this and see how wide it is from the inside so I know how to cut these other slats. Okay, what I'm doing now is providing my spacing for water drainage. I don't want to like this be too wide, so even though this one don't have it in, so I'm just gonna try to some kind of ways move this over a little bit. So once I get my spacing right, and each board I'm gonna put 2 screws. Screw them down to each support beam going across. You notice that your support beams are got a little like a little split edge. Try not to screw it with a split edge because the only thing gonna do is make the board split on and bust. So that's why these look. This row right here look real crooked because of this wood that I got. This beam going across here is I got a split going to it, so I'm trying to avoid the split. Now I'm going back and putting these screws down here to support the sides. It's a little shy of 6 feet because we had to cut those ends off the pickets, and these are the ones that we made out of the pack. And let me show you the ones that my husband done. It is about the same length, but his is a little narrower than the ones that I made, but he actually put a little board right there in front for a sign, and it can serve as a brace as well. So he kind of braced his center, and I may go back and do the same thing to mine since they a little bit flimsy. Okay, you see this top one? See how this top one moves? That's why he put that brace, and that's why I was saying if you want to put a brace, you can. Okay, you guys, that is it. I thank you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's gonna be like a spring garden series where y'all get to see me planting, and y'all will get to see the progress of my garden growing and harvesting. So until next time, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Please like and comment because that will help YouTube to put my videos and stuff out for more people to subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, you all. So share the love. But until next time, peace. Love y'all. Bye.